Kan long shisha ke ba pinshok bit bat ke ba kring ba ya ki khmat ki pat ba ha ka ba ka tanat kalik kawan ke jela la ni ka tourism haringkat ke tanat civil aviation ka serka pedeng menta ka sngi kala pelong ya ka seaplane demo launch ya ka liengsuin duriaw ni seaplane Pung Umiam water lake sport ya ka ni ka liengsuin duriaw on penyait na ka spice jet bat ka dei ke bala ai da ka di havilland aircraft na ka di Canada bat ka ni ka liengsuin kala bandem ru asla ya gani ga seaplane launch ke bala pen I menta ka sngi la plipat ba do menteri ketan civil aviation R Naidu Kinjarapu har ringkat ke jingan dalang menteri rambak ke jelau Konrad ke sama bat ke bekwe kindiat habai dei begani sibenta kum gejing persang bala banwan penher ya kani ga lingsun ya kani jaka kaban sakring baru ya kinong jengok kai perthi bat kani ga skim ke bala awan lam da ka ska pedeng ke badai RCS Uran
In the next 2 to 3 years, we'll be having maybe one of the best resorts in the entire Northeast region right here in this spot that we are standing on right now. And how do we connect with the plane experience and the resorts and the entire tourism sector will determine whether these kind of technology in the seaplanes will be a success or not. So hence the tourism stakeholders must connect and must be able to work together with the aviation team so that we can actually make it sustainable. Government will have to play the initial role to support so that their sustainability is there, the practical side is there, and be able to move forward. But at the end of the day, it must be sustainable through tourism and other sectors working together. So I'm very hopeful that that will happen. From the tourism point of view, we are very happy today that Shillong is one of the most sought after destinations. That's exactly what the word is. There's a Sky Scanners travel trend report that came out that that Shillong had even surpassed Azerbaijan's Baku as the most sought after destination for Indian travelers in 2025. So that's the kind of the attention or the opportunity that Shillong and Meghalaya has from the tourism perspective. We have had a lot of critics, that have been very critical of the different programs and policies that we've been trying to push as a government, the different festivals that we've been having. Yes, they had their concerns saying that government is spending a lot on festivals, but this is the result of that. So today, the investments we have made in different tourism sector programs has resulted in what we're seeing, making Shillong one of the most desirable destinations. So these things take time. It's not that we do things today and we see the results tomorrow. When you plant a seed, it takes time for the fruits to come out, for the tree to grow. But today, after few years of a lot of investment, a lot of structuring, tourism is not just one sector. It's a full ecosystem that you need to develop, from connectivity to basic things like infrastructure of hotel stays, to the manpower that's required, to the beautification of locations that are there, so on and so forth. And hence, it was a very long journey, but we are finally seeing that the investments today we are making in tourism, whether it's in different festivals that people were criticizing earlier, we are seeing that the results are finally showing. And Shillong has become, as I said, one of the most sought after destinations for Indian travelers in 2025. And what is more important is, as we know, the tourism sector, the returns are very high. So whatever investment you make, the money comes into the economy. That's very important to remember.
I woke up and I saw the breathtaking landscape. I am totally in awe with the beauty of this state and especially Meghalaya. I now realize why it is called the Meghalaya, the abode of the clouds, looking at the beautiful landscape that is in front of me. So I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya who has made this a possibility here to have the seaplane demonstration here in the beautiful Umiam Lake. And this demonstration of seaplane operations is not only a technological milestone for us, but a tribute to the vision of connecting India in a new and innovative way. I am reminded of the Prime Minister's first journey in the seaplane in the year 2020, when he has made an inspiring journey from the majestic Statue of Unity in Kevadia to the Ahmedabad. That wasn't just a symbolic flight, it was a powerful message across the country that we stand for unity along with accessibility, demonstrating the potential of seaplanes to bridge hard-to-reach destinations and elevate regional tourism. The Prime Minister's journey from Statue of Unity sparked enthusiasm amongst industry leaders and also the state governments. And it underscored the importance of bold initiatives to make aviation more accessible, efficient, and more people-centric. And it is an endeavor that brings the spirit of Udan scheme to greater heights. And today, as we take the seaplane operations from here in Meghalaya, we witness the unity of purpose between the center and Meghalaya under the leadership of my dear friend Conrad Sangmaji. Just as the Statue of Unity stands as a symbol of national pride, the collaboration between the central government and Meghalaya is a testament of how unity and cooperation can transform the country and the state. Together, we are creating a pathway for pioneering seaplane industry that will unlock economic potential, boost tourism, and connect communities across India like never before.
India, with its vast geography and unique landscapes, holds incredible potential for seaplane operations. And Umiam Lake is the ideal starting point. By establishing seaplane operations here, we are opening the door to efficient, scenic, and sustainable travel that represents the natural environment and respects it. Imagine the ability to travel from Umiam Lake to other destinations across India in a fraction of the time it currently takes. This is the future we envision. With the Twin Otter seaplane, we can transform the way residents, tourists, and businesses connect. This service can create new opportunities for tourism and help bring economic benefits to your local businesses and enrich the cultural exchange between Meghalaya and the rest of India. The Twin Otter seaplane is specifically designed for rugged environments like this one, with proven reliability and capability in diverse weather conditions. This aircraft is not only well suited to handle Meghalaya's monsoon conditions, but is also versatile enough to land on both land and water. It's truly the perfect aircraft for opening up access to locations that have traditionally been difficult to reach. We are incredibly grateful for the tremendous support from the Ministry of Civil Aviation, the DGCA, FICCI, SpiceJet, the Government of Meghalaya, local authorities, and all partners who have made today possible. Your enthusiasm for innovation, for progress, and sustainable development has been instrumental, and it's truly inspiring to be working alongside you on this journey. Today is only the beginning. We at de Havilland are committed to seeing this project grow and to bringing the advantages of seaplane operations and connectivity to more of India's remote locations. Together, we are creating a brighter future for connectivity and helping communities thrive. Thank you all for being part of this milestone moment. We look forward to the incredible journeys and connections that will come from these new services.